How to recover deleted messages on WeChat. If you're trying to recover your deleted messages on WeChat, the very first thing you have to do is simply open up your WeChat application and make sure that you're logged in. Then the next step is to actually head over to the Me section at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile, you'll find Settings menu. Just tap on it. And once you are on the settings, tap on the Chats option. So once you have done that, you could just go ahead and tap on it. Then you will have an option called Chat History, Migration, and Backup. So if you have previously backed up your chats, it will be available on your drive or wherever you've backed up. So just tap on it, and here you'll see the option to backup and restore. So if you want to access your backed up menus or files, you could do that from backup and restore, and you can access it anytime you want. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.